In front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by locating an app called Theme Store and clicking on it. Now select fonts at the top and tap on the best one for you. I will go with this one. Tap on Apply at the bottom and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default font style, go into Devices Settings. Scroll down to click on Display and Brightness. Select Font. Click on one of those three on the left and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!